Hello, everybody. Party people in the place to be. Let me see what am I gonna do. Okay, guys. So I'm over at Miss Cookie Crumble house right now. Today's been pretty busy and pretty eventful. We've been running around a lot. Okay. Hello. I'm Shane. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. I will read it. I'm at my friend, Miss Marisa's. I call her Cookie Crumble a lot of the time. We had a busy, eventful day. We went over to Walmart in Chippewa. We ate Taco Bell at lunchtime. I had to run to Walmart because I got a ring light, the same one that Miss Cookie has. It is the Bauer 16 inches of whatever. LED, rainbow, it got blue light, it got 16 special effects and modes, it got white, natural, warm. You can increase the intensity. This thing is so cool. Cookie already has the one for her. It can hold 3 different phones. It has all different versions of like height and options and settings and specifications, and it's really pretty fancy. It's very, in my opinion, professional, and so now we are legit Fort Pitt. So I had ordered this for Cookie's mom, Miss Adele, which if you've seen onto the channel or the social media, recently I gave her a new haircut. She has a whole all over new look. I gave her an asymmetrical bob, but she didn't want the back of her head, the nape of the neck. She did not want it to be too short or too much stacking because she still wanted to have her like security blanket. So we just did what we could do. We kept her bang kind of like a, an upside down U shape. Everything is soft, lots of layers around the face to tie the bang into the haircut, like the fringe, and it just made her look so much softer, so much younger. So I'm excited for this Revlon blow dryer because I've used a billion different versions of this. I have the Revlon one. I've used a bunch on my own hair. I had the John Frieda one. The John Frieda one does not get hot enough, but this Revlon one, it has 2 different attachments of a round brush, and then it has a concentrator. So I'm going to show Miss Adele how she could blow out her hair herself if and when she needs a wash day, shampoo, condition. Then here you go, because you need a round brush to make your bob kind of haircuts look cute. If you sleep on it and it's flat or smashed, it doesn't look like how it's supposed to look. So that'll be a quick and easy freshening up. I got these blow dryers off of Amazon. They do have them at Walmart and Target. And last but not leastly, I have never got off of Sam Beauty before, but that's what this is, Sam Beauty. This packaging is really cool, so I might actually keep it so I can reuse it. But this was a super duper cheap wig, una peluca. It was only 15 pesos. 15 meaning 15. It is a lace front, it is outre, and it is called Phoenix. Phoenix, Arizona. So anyhow, you guys know, if you watch my channel, I love outre wigs because as far as synthetic ones go, they are pretty cheap and they're pretty realistic because they have a thing called a natural, or a melted hairline is what they call it. But the wig come in the hairnet. It's a lace front. Cookie, you gotta see this wig. You're gonna shit. This is so cute. Platinum blonde. So I have other blonde wigs, but they have dark roots. This one here does not. I'm already excited. It looks crazy. Let me see. And today is beautiful and gorgeous and sunny outside. about to go on a walk and get some cardio and exercise while the weather is still nice enough to do that. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Come with me, children. Children of the corn. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Your neighbor's going to prison today.
What?
I said your neighbor's going to prison today.
Oh.
I'm being funny. I don't know how. Okay, let's see. What is this doing? This wig is blonde and it's platinum, like 613. But it does not have dark roots, Cookie. Usually I got dark roots, and then that makes it look a little more natural onto me and a little less suspect. I was just outside and I heard the neighbor say, I'm going back to prison today, or something, but maybe it was a joke. You know who. The only one I've ever met multiple times. Are you... Open the door. Can you check this out? Look.
That's pretty.
It's 613. It's kind of yellow for platinum blonde, but it doesn't have roots. I've never not had dark roots. So I'm like, does it look super wiggy because my eyebrows are dark? It's called Phoenix.
It's super Kardashian.
You think so?
Yeah.
Do you remember whenever Chris had on that platinum blonde and Kim's like, oh, you look like Miranda Priestley from Devil Wears Prada. It's cute. This is going to be a cute wig. The nice thing is that these wigs with the lace front, they have what they call a melted hairline. Even though the wig is like wiggy looking, there's always stuff that you could do to freshen it up so it doesn't look so wiggy and so suspect. It's going to be cute. And if ever I don't like it without roots, I can always probably color the synthetic. But that's all she wrote, y'all. I'm signing off. I did a nice little quick video. You see the parting space, the two comb here, and the one in the back. And yeah, this was so cheap. For under $15, I mean, you cannot beat that. It's Halloween time. It's a costumey kind of wig. I'm sure it would look super good flat iron too, but I like it curly. But signing off. Bye!